A man hiccuped nonstop for an unbelievable 68 years, turning his life into a marathon of involuntary interruptions. Imagine spending nearly 7 decades battling an endless series of hiccups, each one a tiny jolt disrupting everything from conversations to sleep. Charles Osborne's hiccuping saga began in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990, a bizarre medical mystery that stumped doctors and fascinated the world. He tried countless remedies, from home cures to medical treatments, but nothing could silence the relentless spasms. This extraordinary tale of endurance and the human body's unpredictability is a testament to resilience in the face of unending adversity. How would you handle a lifetime of hiccups?